Hey guys, I'm just gonna announce something. In Minecraft 1.19.10 there's a great and bad thing happened, but first the good thing. Go to the setting and press creator and enable the coordinate UI. Subscribe if you want more tips and tricks of Minecraft Bedrock. The coordinates UI will show at the chat at the top middle of the screen. You have to choices block position and my position. My position show where exactly are you standing. It shows the position of your legs, not your head and body, so don't get confused. Block position is kinda complicated if you're not using split control or the crosshair. Block position shows the location or chords of what block you are facing. You can see here that the coordinates changes even we are just standing. You can see here it's 1 block deep because it's saying the location of the grass. Now it's showing the block over there. Now for the best part is that you can copy the coordinates, making it one of the best updates. The 2 paper is the copy button and the location image thing is for pasting it. It also has the same sound of an achievement. I don't know why the paste thing has the location image. Because we can copy the coordinates easily, this is now one of the best updates for people who suffers from copying the chords like me. With this feature, this really helps people who use commands and people who play at survival with their friend to tell their location. Here's an example of fill command. Copy the start, then go till where you want it to fill. This is where it's gonna stop. Now paste it. Now add 3 tilde. Add the block you desire. Then you're done. With this, builders in Bedrock can now easily build. Now for the bad stuff. This kinda affects all add-in creator, because they're gonna recoded it again, but it's still good because there's a lot of new possibility with this now. And if you still haven't guessed it, it's the execute command. Somebody already explained how to use it and I respect for their effort lol.